Starting with our top focus on Kolkata, where currently BJP is protesting against the brutal rape and murder of the trainee doctor. We are bringing you those live visuals. We are also learning that a scuffle has taken place between BJP's women leaders and the Kolkata police. These are the live visuals that we are bringing to you. Remember, BJP women leaders have been protesting, and those are visuals coming in from Salt Lake, where first all of the BJP protesters gathered, and the Kolkata police arrived in full force along with rapid action force as well, not permitting for any gathering to take place. Let's quickly go across to Kamalika. Kamalika, if you could give us the latest update in terms of what has exactly happened between these BJP leaders. We can see they're completely drenched as rainfall has also begun.
They have been stopped, the BJP Mahila Morcha, they have been stopped, and you can see that they are sitting here. हम लोग चाहते हैं कि महिला कमीशन तक जाए, लेकिन उसके पहले हम लोग को रोक दिया गया। कारण क्या है? कारण क्या है? महिला कमीशन को ताला लगाने के लिए हम लोग जाएंगे। हम लोग को यहाँ पे रोका है। पुलिस, कितना सारा पुलिस दिया गया। इसका कारण है आवाज बंद करने का कोशिश कर रहे हैं। ये चलेगा नहीं। देखिए, बारिश में भी हम सब लोग खड़े हैं। हम लोग जब तक विचार नहीं होगा, बारिश जो भी होगा हम लोग खड़ा रहेंगे। यहाँ पे इंतजार Locket Chatterjee, Agnimitra Paul, and all the woman wing of the Bharatiya Janata Party, they have woman wing of Bharatiya Janata Party, as you can see. So they are sitting like this, and the police, the woman police force is also here. They will not allow them come what may, but the woman wing, Agnimitra Paul, Locket Chatterjee, they have all here. In no way that they will allow, the police will allow them from here. On the other hand, the BJP woman wing is firm that they are going to sit here. They will not go out from here. They are trying, the police is trying to talk to them. And you can see all woman contingent of police is there specifically because this is a rally by the women of BJP. They are in no mood to go back. It's raining heavily. In spite of that, you can see that here it's absolutely a showdown, raining heavily. But the woman BJP workers, leaders, and here are the woman police force. So both the forces, like the political force and the police force, both the parties are in a showdown, and they'll not allow come what may.
Absolutely, and you know those visuals speaking 1,000 words for themselves. The rain refusing to calm down the tempers. The women very angry over there. BJP's Mahila Morcha, as Kamalika is reporting for us. Even though the downpour currently is on, they continue to protest, and there's a clash already taking place. Nonetheless, not able to sort of stop the BJP Mahila Morcha from chanting that they want justice. Let's quickly go across to Anshul. Anshul, give us a sense of everything that has happened today. First, we saw BJP protesters gather at Salt Lake. That's where they were not permitted to gather. And now what is this location where the BJP women leaders are? As we can see, there's Agnimitra Paul, there's also Locket Chatterjee, not to forget that she was stopped earlier as well on her way to the State Women Commission.
Well, yes, this is just a few meters away from the State Women Commission where these women have been stopped. We'll try and get in a word and try to get to know what has been transpired. Ma'am, आपको यहाँ से लेके जा रहे हैं, कहाँ लेके जा रहे हैं?
हम लोग महिला कमीशन में जा रहे हैं। 5 लोग हैं, 5-6 लोग हैं। हम लोग महिला कमीशन में जा रहे हैं। हम लोग का ये था, हम लोग ताला लगाने के लिए जाएंगे। हम लोग वहाँ से मुंह तो उनका बंद है, अभी ताला लगाने का टाइम आ गया। हम लोग जा रहे हैं।
अपना कमीशन में भीतर ही जाते हैं। बट यहाँ पुलिस ने रोक रखा है मैम आपको सारे प्रोटेस्टर्स।
क्या होगा रोक के? क्या होगा? क्या विचार के लिए मुख नहीं खोलेगा? जितना रोकेंगे उतना हम लोग का आवाज उठाएंगे।
Also, any action that you are demanding against the police commissioner and the manner in which the entire system has been.
We want justice. हम लोग को जस्टिस चाहिए। अगर जस्टिस नहीं दे पा रहे हैं, उसको रिजाइन देना चाहिए।
So yes, I'll just try and show you around in the visuals over here that yes, it is raining heavily out here in Kolkata, and now the kind of security arrangements, you can see that buses have been put up over here. The entire traffic has been blocked in this entire area, making sure that the protesters are not allowed to march towards the Women Commission. And now just a handful of top leaders of the Bharatiya Janata Party, women leaders of the Bharatiya Janata Party who had arrived over here, they are being taken by the police from this location. So definitely a lot of action palpating over here. The BJP making sure that they make all kind of noises on the spot, making sure that this issue is something that actually sticks with the people of the country. It remains
All
to be
right,
seen how
Anshul, the
eventually-
question that I want to pose to you right now, which is of utmost urgency, is that till last time when we saw that 12-hour Bandh being called in by the BJP, the allegation coming in from the Kolkata police was that this was in no way a peaceful protest. Why are they detaining them now when it seems like a peaceful protest? All they are doing is chanting, demanding for justice.
Well, the police over here is not telling us anything. They are not ready to speak to the media. We have tried speaking to senior IPS officials who are present on ground zero. They are not ready to give us any rhyme or reason as to why is this being stopped, what is the reason for them to stop the protest, or if at all the protest is stopped, keeping in mind the law and order situation, why isn't some specific location being given to them? This is a big question, but yes, I'll just try and show you in the visuals over here. These leaders of the BJP are going towards the Women Commission. There are police officials who are guiding them, whereas the other set of leaders, other set of protesters who were present over here, they have been stopped back. They are not being allowed to go ahead. So definitely there is a lot of action that is happening over here. The police is trying to make sure that the situation remains peaceful, but definitely the manner in which the BJP is adamant that they will go ahead with the protest, that is definitely raising the temperatures out here in Kolkata, even when there is heavy rain that has happened over here.
Absolutely. At the same time, Anshul, give us a sense of how the TMC is trying to play this out. We've seen the second letter being marked to the Prime Minister today, where the Bengal CM is claiming that she's not heard any kind of response and, you know, that the matter is not being treated with enough gravity. Who's not treating the matter with gravity when the Raksha Mantri has already highlighted that the laws are already amended and capital punishment has already been factored in for heinous crimes such as rape?
Well, definitely, if you see that Mamata Banerjee has constantly been on the back foot since day one of the incident. Now, I'll just try and show you in the visuals over here. The women who had come out over here, they are slowly being taken away from the location. They are being told that they will take them to the Women Commission, where they will speak with the higher-ups in the Women Commission. But yes, just a handful of women, BJP women are going at this point in time. But we speak about how Mamata Banerjee has taken this. This entire incident has been nothing short of embarrassing for the Mamata Banerjee government and the West Bengal police, and that is the reason why somewhere or the other this message is being given out from the side of Mamata Banerjee that yes, they are working enough. They are ready to work enough day in and day out to somewhere or the other make sure that women are provided with safety and security out here in West Bengal. But definitely the BJP is in no mood to back down. As soon as that letter was sent out to the Prime Minister, senior leaders of the BJP, including Amit Malviya, came out, and in fact he narrated that how this was a big fat lie, that no reply has been given. The Women Commission, in fact the minister had replied to Mamata Banerjee just days after, telling them how the laws are already in place. But definitely a big question is on how out here in West Bengal, where there should have been fast-track courts already made, those fast-track courts were not made, and that has become a big issue in giving justice to the victims, especially of such heinous crimes. Now, Mamata Banerjee is saying that she will pass a fresh law in the West Bengal Assembly. What will that law be? How will she make sure that the investigation happens in a time period of 30 days? That is a big question, because according to the law, the investigating agency has a time period of 60 to 90 days to carry out with their investigation and then eventually file its first charge sheet. So how can justice be provided in just 30 days is a big question. Now, you can see in the visuals over here that Locket Chatterjee and other leaders, women leaders of the Bharatiya Janata Party have reached on the gate of the Government of West Bengal Director of Local Bodies, and it is inside this building that the Women Commission is. They are trying to go inside, but however, as a symbolic gesture, they are putting out a lock on the gates of this building. The police has allowed them to do so at this point in time. 5 women leaders of the BJP have come up over here with locks made out of paper. They will be placing them over here on the gates as a symbolic protest.
Hey, thank you for watching this on CNBC TV 18. Hope you liked it. For more such interesting news and updates, follow CNBC TV 18 on all the social media platforms.